Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, something didn't go as planned, no need to worry undoing changes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution sequentially. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on Run. The next solution is to clear the content from the SoftwareDistribution folder and the Catroot 2 folder. Now, this could be a very complicated procedure, but we have a tool for you named FixWin. You can download it from the original website. In the FixWin tool, go to the Additional Fixes tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Quick Fixes. After going to the Quick Fixes window, select this option for Reset Software Distribution folder and then reset the Catroot 2 folder. The next solution will be to clear the Pending.XML file. Scroll down to solution number 4 of the original article and copy the command line mentioned here. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste this command in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter to rename the Pending.XML file to pending.old. To clear the bits queue, copy the command line mentioned in solution number 5. Now open the elevated command prompt window and paste it here. Hit enter to clear the bits queue, which is the background intelligence transfer queue. If this doesn't work, then you can install the update in the clean boot state. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command msconfig and hit enter to open the system configuration window. Go to the Services tab on the list on the top. Now, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all, click on Apply and finally on OK, and then restart your system in the clean boot state. If everything else fails, the last solution will be to download the package directly from the Microsoft Update Catalog website. So go to catalog.update.microsoft.com and let us assume that the current month is April 2023. So type 2023-04 and hit enter. This is basically 04-2023. Now you'll get all the latest updates for April 2023. Download the latest update and install it on your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.